baby. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we have two different track outings. I decided to put everything in one video instead of splitting it up between two videos, but we took the 16 GT. If you haven't caught the video where I go over everything that's done to the 16 GT, go back to the last video, put a link up somewhere up in here for you to click on and go watch it real quick, and you'll know what all is done to the 16 GT. But anyway, we took the car back out to the drag strip on two separate occasions, one weekend after another, and just watch the whole video, guys. And also, guys, on the second track outing, we do test out the velocity stack against running the filter. We run a filter, then we run a velocity stack, and then we ran the filter back, one pass after another. Thank you. We get 602, so close. 602 at 119 with a 142 60 foot. So close. All right, guys, here we go. Running 602 last time. I'm trying to get that 595. We are still full interior. So trying to get that 590 pass. This car is consistent, if nothing else. Looking at that 3:30 time, half track time, I don't think I got it. Thank you. .603 at 119 with a 142 60 foot. This car is so damn consistent. Damn it. Oh. Killing me, guys. All right, guys, our last try for the night. All right, so we're gonna make our first pass of the night. Not sure how many passes we're gonna make tonight. I think that was it. All right, let's see if we actually got it this time. Thank you. Fuck yeah. 596 at 120 with a 140 60 foot. All right, guys, so that is still on the 95 millimeter without the velocity stack, but I did switch over to the vented catch can. The reason being is because I'm gonna put the velocity stack on and see if we can get a little more out of it on the 95 millimeter pulley, and then we'll see what we do from there. But I got a bunch of leaves that gathered on my car for some reason. I gotta get those. I didn't even notice it. I didn't pop the hood until I got to the track tonight. So, all right. Anyway, guys, we're gonna change this stuff out, get the velocity stack on, and we're gonna see what it does. All right, guys, so we got the velocity stack put on, and we're going to go up there and make another pass. Thank you. 596 at 120 with a one. Now that was a 141 60 foot, but car really didn't pick up any. Okay. There we go. Car didn't pick up any. He did a 617 at 119. That's his personal best. At 596, so 2 596s. So the velocity stack really didn't pick up any. All right, guys, it's probably gonna be our final pass of the night. There we go. This car is consistent. Everything Daryl does for me really freaking consistent. We put the air filter back on, guys, and the reason I can pretty much say it's consistent is because I see my 330. My 330 was identical to my last two passes. Thank you. 597 at 120. With a 140 60 foot, 389 to the 330, 597 with a 120. Now the air is really cool tonight, guys. I'm not gonna feed you full of crap. We ran a 6.0 last week and the air was pretty decent, but this week it's pretty good. And so I knew it was gonna put us in the fives, and that's why I kind of left it on the same pulley, same setup. I just wanted to see how the DA would affect us, and it picked up a tenth. So, well, actually a little less than a tenth.